Conversation 1. Hey honey, have you noticed that the prices of our grocery items have been increasing lately?
Yes, I have. I was just looking at our grocery bill and it's definitely higher than usual.
I think we should start looking for ways to save money on groceries. Do you have any ideas?
Well, one thing we could do is start buying in bulk. It might be more expensive up front, but it could save us money in the long run.
That's a good idea. We could also start buying more generic or store-brand items instead of name brands.
Yes, and we could start meal planning and making a grocery list to avoid impulse buying.
That's a good idea. And we could also start shopping at different stores to compare prices and find the best deals.
Definitely. We should also start buying seasonal produce and looking for sales and coupons.
I agree. And we could start making more meals at home instead of eating out or getting takeout.
That's a good point. We could also start growing some of our own produce in a garden or on a balcony.
Yes, that could save us money and be a fun family activity. I think if we work together, we can find ways to save money on groceries without sacrificing quality or nutrition.
I completely agree. Let's start making a plan and sticking to our budget.
Conversation 2. Hey, have you talked to our son about his studies? I've noticed that his grades have been slipping lately.
Yes, I have. He's been struggling with some of his classes, and I'm not sure what we can do to help him.
Maybe we could hire a tutor to help him with his studies. Or we could start studying with him at home and setting aside specific times for homework.
Those are good ideas. But we also need to make sure he's not overwhelmed with too many activities outside of school.
That's a good point. Maybe we need to scale back on his extracurricular activities and focus more on his studies.
Yes, and we should also talk to his teachers to see if they have any suggestions or resources that could help him.
Agreed. We need to make sure we're supporting him and helping him succeed.
And we also need to make sure he knows that his worth isn't solely based on his grades. We love him no matter what, and we're proud of him for trying his best.
Absolutely. It's important for him to know that we support him and that we're here for him no matter what.
Let's make a plan to help him with his studies and show him that we believe in him.
Sounds like a plan. Let's start by talking to his teachers and setting up a study schedule at home.
Conversation 3.
Hey, I was thinking that we should go see that new movie that just came out. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea. Which movie are you thinking of?
I was thinking we could go see the new action movie that's been getting good reviews. It's playing at the theater near our house.
Oh, I've heard about that one. It sounds like it could be a lot of fun.
Yeah, and we haven't gone to the movies in a while. It would be nice to get out of the house and do something together.
Definitely. Do you want to go tonight or wait until the weekend?
How about we go tonight? I heard the theater has a deal on tickets and popcorn on Wednesdays.
Okay, sounds good to me. What time should we go?
The movie starts at 7 p.m., so we could grab dinner beforehand and then head to the theater.
Sounds like a plan. Do you want to make dinner reservations or just pick a place when we get there?
We could just pick a place when we get there. There are a lot of restaurants near the theater.
All right, let's do that. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It'll be nice to have a fun night out together.
Definitely. Thanks for suggesting it.
Conversation 4. Hey, I've noticed that you haven't been yourself lately. Are you feeling okay?
No, I'm not feeling okay. I've been feeling really down and unmotivated lately. I don't know what's wrong with me.
I'm sorry to hear that. It sounds like you might be going through depression. Have you talked to anyone about it?
No, I haven't. I didn't want to burden anyone with my problems.
That's understandable, but it's important to talk to someone about how you're feeling. Have you considered seeing a therapist or a counselor?
I haven't, but maybe that's a good idea. I just feel so lost and hopeless right now.
I understand how you feel, but I want you to know that you're not alone. I'm here for you, and we can work through this together.
Thank you, that means a lot to me. I just don't want to bring you down with my problems.
You're not bringing me down. I want to support you in any way I can. And if you're not comfortable seeing a professional, we can start with small steps like going for walks or doing things that make you happy.
That's a good idea. I think I just need to take it one day at a time.
Exactly. And remember, there's no shame in seeking help for mental health issues. It's important to prioritize our mental well-being.
I know, you're right. Thank you for being there for me.
Anytime, I love you.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.